What's up? So it's just a small little update video, I guess. There's been no real progress on the car at all. This is the first chance since the middle of June now. This is the first chance I've even had time to really come and look at the car or even consider coming out here. I've been back to work since the start of May. We've been renovating the bathroom. That takes forever. Found out we've got another baby on the way, so there's always something. So time to get out here is few and far between at the minute. And also the rust repair is, who knows when that'll happen. Just Dara is super busy as well, so it is what it is, you know. But I did get a bunch of cool stuff, cool parts, new shit, OEM stuff, aftermarket stuff, things like that. So I figured I had a bit of free time this evening and make a little video and show you all that cool stuff. So this is some of it. I got a whole bunch of, this is all OEM stuff, like new old stock. Well, not necessarily new old stock, but stuff that's applicable to Civics and stuff like that, so it still merits being made. The first couple of things I got is rear anti-roll bar bushings. Couple of, like, I got loads of these, you know, the kind of small little clips that you're always missing, like that you find in a parts car or something. I know I'm kind of showing you nothing there, so we forget about that. Couple of random nuts that were rounded off. Rear drop link bushings, all brand new. This is my favourite thing. Oh, my favourite new old stock key blank. I'll get that first. That'll be pretty sweet. Anti-roll bar. I don't know how I managed this, but I ordered 6 of these instead of 2. I guess I just hit the wrong button, or hit the amount wrong or something. But they are the little link for the anti-roll bar. I'll open that one up and have a quick look. You only need 2 of them. I don't know how. I must have pressed 6 by mistake, but that goes through the trailing arm, bolt on that side. Then drop link sits there and a bushing there and the nut there, or something to that effect. But I guess I have 4 spare of those if I ever need them. Kind of, I suppose, specific. I don't know what you'd even call that, but it's a specific bolt for right here where the bumper goes on, the support thing, because they're almost rounded off. I had to pull them off with a vice grip, so they're okay, but I got new ones anyway. Those kind of guys, you know, the kind of shit that's almost impossible to find if you get a parts car, or if you break them you'll never really find them again. These 2 bolts for down here that I sheared off, that you would have seen in an earlier video. Those I had ordered from the Honda dealer where I used to work, and they're a joke. They're fucking useless. I had ordered them and they said, yeah, we'll have them in like 2 weeks. It took 6 weeks or something like that to come in, and on top of that, the guy, he never phoned me to tell me that they were there, even though I know this dude. Like, I used to work with him, and he knows me well. Could have even sent me a message on Facebook and said, oh yeah, they came in but we lost them. I'll order them again for you, so they can fuck off as far as I'm concerned. I have what I need anyway. All of that stuff came from a website. I never heard of it before in my life. It's called Amiyama, or I think it's Amiyama or something like that. I'll put a link to it below. But it's essentially I guess they go and they buy out new old stock or something like that, because it's just like a dealer website. It has it's all broken down into categories, and it has the like exploded view and of the whole section you're looking at, be it body parts or wire and stuff or whatever. And it has all the part numbers and everything, and it lists everything as in stock, which gets you super excited, because you think, oh, this really old part that I was never able to find, they might have. But what you do is you place all your order, whether it says it's in stock or not. They get back to you in a couple of days with what is in stock out of it, and then you can say, yeah, okay, ordered or not. A few days later they send you an invoice, and then it all arrives. It's pretty cool. The site had Honda, Toyota, Nissan, and I think Subaru listed. There might have been one more, but I can't remember. But it was all Japanese stuff, so I guess it's just some place that go and buy out new old stock, or like dealerships that might be closing down or something like that. But it's pretty cool stuff. Next thing was an aftermarket but OEM style new crank pulley. It was listed on eBay. Technically that's how it would go on the engine. Power steering belt, alternator belt and power steering belt. Exact same as the OEM one. It was listed, it must fit any, like the F20 F22s, some older Preludes, maybe something like that. But exact same as OE, just this section in mine was all kind of split. In fact, I assume it's like a rubberized or something in it. I don't know, because it's all cracked and looks perished and shitty in mine, but either way it's maybe an easy enough swap to put that on. And the last thing then is this gorgeous thing. It's a sunroof visor, OEM sunroof visor. I need to just clean up some of the tape residue there, but it's in really good shape. No scratch. Well, I mean, I'm sure it'll come up with a buff, the few little scratches that are in it, but it's not cracked anywhere. It's not terribly faded looking by any means. It has the lovely, can you make it out in the shine? Not really. There you go. You see it's Honda stamped. You can't really see it there, but you take my word for it. Comes with OEM hardware, so that will sit up on the car eventually, like so. It'll be really cool. Again, it's hugely unnecessary, but it looks super cool. I think it'll be really nice on the car. Ignore the gammy old carpet. When you get the idea, I think it'll be really nice on it. Especially the fact that it's an OEM piece as well. I got that off a guy on one of the Facebook groups, one of the US based ones. He was selling it pretty cheap. They seem to be kind of like the fog light kit that I got last year. It seems to be pretty rare piece to find, especially with the hardware, the two little brackets that it comes with. Whether they're strong enough to keep it on at speed, I have no idea, but we'll get a bit of double-sided on it as well anyway. But shipped and all from America. I think I paid 150, something like that. So to have a pretty rare piece like that, like, I'm very pleased. It'll just add a little bit of flavour to the car, I think it'd be pretty cool. So that's pretty much it. I wish I had more to show you. I probably will in the next couple of weeks, but as I said, progress is at a complete and utter standstill. I'm sure any of you that built a car before, you know exactly what I'm talking about. Just between work, the baby coming, all that shit. I guess it's great that I'm back at work. It's busy. I'm busier than I want to be, to tell you the truth. But it'll be lovely to have, if we got shut down for 2 more weeks, I'd get something done. But fuck it, it's not the end of the world. So we'll carry on. I guess I'll be back again when there's something actually worth really talking about. As I said, I'm only kind of making this for a little update for the 16 people that might give a shit. So hopefully we'll speak to you again soon.